This project consists of some structural works that tie and integrate into existing buildings here. Partially we've had just a fit out in the existing Matilda room, and then we've basically doubled the size of the Matilda room in the new structure. So that's tied that into one big building, and then we've got the cafe and concourse area below. We're 8 months into an 11-month site program. We've got a fixed deadline of midway through April. The racing club have a marquee event which runs the first week of May, so that's a very important timeline for us to meet. Currently we're just about completed the first stage that we're about to hand over in 3 weeks' time, and from there we'll continue to progress through and hand over the next area in due course, and then we'll just have the final concourse area to complete just on our deadline.